Hi guys, this is Chris from Almost Legit Garage, and this is my office. Not really much of an office. I don't use it for an office, but it's basically an indoor housing space. And there I have a stack of new tires, and then I got some old tires. They don't like to be frozen, so they're indoors at the moment. Actually painted that a few years ago. Yeah. Marvin the Martian. All of that is done with an airbrush. But anyways, I want to show off my new toy. As you saw in the beginning, this is my TiVo Tarantula as a budget 3D printer. You have to build it yourself out of a kit, but comes with the manual, printed instructions, and mostly everything you need to know to do it. So that's kind of cool. If you guys are interested, I can make some videos on some of the more detailed items about, this whole 3D printer setup and whatnot. But right now I have it running and making what is called a Benchy. So here is the first Benchy I made. It's just a little benchmark thing commonly used in the community to kind of show the status of your prints. So this is the first one I did. A little messed up on the bow, and then the little chair inside is looking pretty Game of Thronesy. And then around all those arches has a little sag. But anyways, that was the first one. I have since added this fan, this cooling fan here. I have another one that's supposed to go on this side, but I'm currently being misplaced for another project. This is the stock fan, and it just came dead out of the box. So until I get the replacement, that's being earmarked there. But this thing's pretty cool. I made a, probably can't tell, but I made a new bracket. It's a mirror image to this one that I made earlier, but unfortunately it ended up being a mirror image, so don't mix up your X and Y axis. I'm stupid. Anyways, so it's a pretty cool thing. Uses a roll of filament, but the reason I am telling you about this on a generally automotive YouTube channel is this stuff right here. This clear fluorescent looking filament is TPU, which is thermal polyurethane. If you're not new to automotive, you'll know that they make some performance parts out of polyurethane. So I'm going to leave it at that, but future things up ahead, we might be revolutionizing the automotive aftermarket industry a little bit. Probably not really, but if we do something interesting, then hey, that's a good little thing in the channel's resume. But anyways, future videos on this to come. Show you what I'm talking about for the actual, using the 3D printer for automotive stuff purposes. But pretty soon I will have a nice flexible little Benchy coming out. So, oh, by the way, these things take forever. It's been going for 24 minutes now, and it's built up that much of it. So, it's a slow process, but it's kind of nifty to make something out of just a roll of plastic or whatever. But anyways, if you guys want to see more of this, let me know in the comment section. Obviously, I got a video coming up with it for sure, but let me know in the comment section if you want any more specific 3D printer related things. And if you want to see what I'm doing with this thing, this whole setup, this mad scientist little creator thing, be sure to subscribe and watch future videos. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.